welcome to my channel. My name is Harnoor, and guess what? We're going to build a bear. I'm so excited because I've never built a bear that I made by myself. So this is really exciting, and Sahaj is here with me. Say hello, Sahaj. Hi. So the reason we're going is because it was just my birthday a few days ago, but it was in the weekdays, so that's why we couldn't go there that time. But we're doing this on the weekend, and I'm so excited. So let's head on in. Come on, Saj. So I've watched many videos, that's why I know how to do this. So Saj, pick which one you want. I want this one. No, I want, this is so cute.
I want this one.
You want a unicorn? Okay. Now let me find one that I want. They're all so cute. It's just so hard to decide. I want this one, but I can't find where the stuffing thingamajiggy is. No, this is a different one. Ah, found it. It's this one. So this one right now, yes. So she has the unicorn, and I got this pastel bear. So I'm so excited because now we have to go to the fluffing center. So this is mine, and this is Sahaj's. So let's continue on. So this center was the Choose Me Center.
Hi friends, how you guys doing today? You've already picked out your bears?
Yeah.
Right on, excellent choices. Those look great.
Thank you.
Perfect. So my friends, join me over here at the sandwich machine. We can add a little thing extra to them. Can I see this one first?
Yes.
And what's your name?
Harnoor.
How do you spell it?
H-A-R.
H-A-R.
N.
N.
O-O-R.
O-O-R. Perfect. Okay. Perfect, friends. So I'm going to show you something really neat with these ones. They have a little magical sound if you wanted to make them magical.
Said you want this one?
So it's 3-in-1 sounds for only $5. We also have the ones for horsies.
You want this one?
Got this one. It's $5 for 4-in-1 sounds. Is that okay? Perfect.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm going to put this one through right away. And Harnoor, did you want one as well?
Yes. Can I record my own voice?
So you're going to have to ask the lovely adults that came with you, okay?
Okay.
So my dear, what's your name?
Sahaj. How do you spell it, Sahaj?
S-E. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, friends, there you go. Sahaj, you want to give that a squeeze?
Sahaj, listen. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. This way.
Perfect.
I want to record my own voice.
So to record your own voice, I'll show you how that works. It's 10:50 for a 20-second clip.
Okay.
And do you know what you're going to say?
Yes, I'm gonna say, I believe in you, and then I'm gonna wait a few seconds, and then I'm gonna say, unicorns, like unicorns.
Alrighty, you want to hand that to me?
Yes. Okay, what do I do now?
I'm going to leave this here for a second, don't worry. Once I press next, it's going to count down from 5.
Okay.
And then you're going to start talking, okay? Give me a thumbs up when you've said everything you need to say.
Okay.
5, 4, oh, the microphone's here. Lean in a bit. 2.
I believe in you, unicorns. I believe in you, unicorns. Can I redo it?
Sure.
Okay.
4, 3, 2.
I I believe in you, Unicorns.
I believe in you, Unicorns.
Perfect. That's very clear. Right on. So I'm just going to load it onto that chip for you.
Okay.
And now, are you both excited to get your Bears built?
Yeah.
Perfect. Want to give that a squeeze?
Okay.
I believe in you, Unicorns.
It's perfect.
Give it to me. Perfect.
You ready?
Here you go.
Thank you. Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Are you excited? Okay,
Perfect. My
so.
friend Nora. Remember Tina's going to help you over there.
Okay. Hello.
Building some fairy bears?
Yes.
Beautiful. What's your name?
Harnoor.
So, say it again.
Harnoor.
Harnware?
Harnoor. And H-A-N. Yes, Harnoor.
Perfect. Let's go ahead and step on the pedal for me, Harnor. There we go. These are our new fairy bears.
Yeah,
so
I found them really cute because like they were what are they called? Like pastel, and I really like pastel colors.
I know, me too. I think these are beautiful. I love all the colors in here. This is probably my favorite color.
I like the yellow and the pink.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have a name picked out for this bear yet?
I was thinking something like rainbow bear or something like bubble gum or something.
So good. That's a good idea. You sisters?
Yeah, this is my sister.
Alright. So we're going to fill both your bears up and then we'll do a heart ceremony together.
Okay.
Alright. Do you have any other Build-A-Bears?
No, this is my first time.
Oh boy, that's special.
Yeah, it's for my birthday.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank
When's
you.
your birthday?
It was just 2 days ago.
Oh, how old did you turn?
I'm 11 now.
Wow, excellent. All right, you can take your foot off.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you to give this bear a big hug and tell me how she feels.
Okay. I like it. It's squishy.
It's good?
Yeah.
Good? All right, let's build this one, and then
Okay.
we're going to do a little heart ceremony,
Okay, wait, Sedge. Sedge, look. Say
Go
hi.
ahead and step. What's your
Okay.
name? Press that button.
Press the button.
And what's your name? What's your sister's name?
Sahaj.
Saj?
Sahaj. Sedge, press it hard.
Alright. And this is also a beautiful one.
You like it, right?
You girls made some nice choices today.
Thank you. Are you excited, Sahaj? Yes?
So excited?
This is her first time too. She's like a little scared. She doesn't know what's happening.
Right.
Sedge, what are you gonna name it? What are you gonna call it? What's the name? A unicorn. That's the name. A unicorn.
It's getting big. Okay, you can take your foot off.
Okay, put up.
And now you can give your unicorn a nice big hug and tell me how she feels for you.
You like it? Is it
Good?
warm?
All right,
Is it
girls,
good?
I'm going to take your furry friends.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you each to get a heart from the heart shape in
Okay.
there, okay? Together like this between our hands and get it nice and warm.
Oh.
And tap it so the heart beats. Tap, tap, tap. Rub it on your knees if you ever need each other. You're always there for each other. Rub it on your side so you're always by each other's side. Rub it on your nose so your furry friend always knows who you are. Rub it on their toes because you're totally awesome.
Sedge, their
Right
toe.
here, right here. Good job. Hold it up high so you reach
Oh,
for the stars.
sorry.
Jump up and catch those stars. Jump.
Jump, 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 jump.
Spin around once and make a wish. That's good, that's good.
Okay, Sedge, make a
Hold it
wish.
tight
Make.
between your hands so the wish comes true.
Okay.
And rub it on your hearts, fill it with all your love. And give the the heart a big kiss. And inside your furry friends they go. Perfect. Yep, put it right inside. Good job. Yay.
Now remember, you can choose any outfit in the store, okay?
So the next step is you get to give it a little air bath and then make a birth certificate for it, okay?
Okay.
All right. How's it going there? Good?
You good, Sid? You put the heart in?
Perfect.
You happy?
Make a name for them, okay?
So now we just did the heart ceremony, and this is Sahaj's, and we both got like 2 tiny little rainbow hearts, and now the hearts are going inside of our unicorn and the teddy bear, and then next we get to give it like a bath. So it's so fluffy and cute. I love it. And then mine has little fairy wings. It's so cute. And it's so pastel and rainbow and cute. Said you like unicorns, Hannah? How much?
A lot.
A lot, how much? I can't see. Show me with your hand. A lot and a lot and a lot and a lot. What are you gonna call your unicorn? Rainbow man? Rainbow pants? Fluffy rainbow?
There she is. Looking beautiful.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Around this way to the bathtub.
Okay. Bathtub. Oh. Ooh, look at all those cool little thingies. Okay, first we have to give it a bath. So now we have to give a bath to our little furry friends. So Sahaj, here's your brush and here's my brush, and step on the pedal. And then air comes out, Sahaj. See, air. So now we are giving a bath. Are you excited? Oh my gosh, it's so cool, right? What's coming out of here, Sahaj? Air.
Air.
How fluffy is your horse gonna be?
Is this a comb?
Yeah, this is a fluffy comb for only teddy bears. Okay, so Sahaj, you ready? You good?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's go. So next what we have to do is give our teddy bears some clothing. So Sahaj can get her horsey clothing. And thank you. And I'm gonna get my teddy bear clothing. So Sahaj, see what you want. This is a horsey one. Okay. You want this mermaid tail for the horsey? Okay. Okay, so this is little unicorn food, and these are little fairy wings that you can put on your friends. This one's for the teddy bears. This one's for, and that's not for the unicorns. It's okay. So then there's little, these little thingies you can put on their hand and be like, hi, this is my friend. I'm holding my friend. And a magic wand. A magic wand. You can make it hold a magic wand. It's so cute, right? Oh my god. And there's all these different types of dresses and shoes.
I want this one.
You want this one? How is the horsey gonna hold the thing? And then these are the superhero and there's a Super Gwen one. There's a Spider Gwen one. Oh, that's so cute. There's Spider-Man. There's Star Wars. Oh, I'll fix it for you.
Those are for the boys' teddies.
Yeah, there's like Spider Gwen, Spider-Man, and then a lot of other Star Wars stuff.
Spider-Man over there.
Yeah, there's another one. Okay. there's like pajama time type of stuff. So there's different types of cool, cute pajamas. And there's little shoes. So there's these shoes and bathrobes. And then there's cool little chairs.
From a movie.
Yeah, this is from the Trolls movie, right, Sahaj?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, let's go check out the other clothing that they have. Ooh, these are so cute.
My dress.
Oh, here you go, Sahaj. These are Kaboo clothing, so those are special Kaboo ones. And these are Kaboo clothing, and there's an accessory pouch, and little shoes, and a shirt,
This is for my pony.
and a squishy, and other
I
squishies,
want this ice cream
and a little soft balloon. And then there's all these things on the bottom. There's like, wait, Sahaj. And then there's like a yoga mat. That's so cute. So there's a skirt. Let's try it on the. Oh, and there's a hair dryer.
It works.
It works?
Yeah, look.
It works. It has a tiny little switch. Oop, dap, dap, dap. Yeah, you can dry their hair. And there's a teacup set. So here's the little teddy bear with the skirt on. But it looks really funny, so I don't want it, but like we'll see it later. We'll see if we can get that for your unicorn. There's a cute little swim. It's actually swimsuit material. So there's these cute little swimsuits and dresses and poopy dresses. And there's a cute little shirt that says "Let's hang." That's so cute. And there's a cute little purse, right, Sahaj? And there's the princess ones. So there's one for Moana there, and there's one for Princess Anna, and here's another one for Anna, and there's one for Elsa, and one for Belle, and there's one for Elsa, yeah. And there's a cute little wig. A wig. There's wigs. So guys, I found some cute little hoodies. These are like the most cutest little things ever. And then there's little holes for the ears. So I was thinking of trying this one on. And maybe this one that says BFF and it has a flippy sequin one. And let's find some pants. And let's find some pants that look nice with it. Or a skirt. Will this look nice, you guys? I think it looks nice. But never mind. How about this? This is nice. Oh, there's even shorts. These are even cuter. I love these. Let's try this on. Oh, and there's another one right here that I really, really like. So let's go try these on in the dressing room section. You want to try which one, Sahaj? They're the same thing, Sahaj. Same thing. Same thing. Okay. Okay, you guys. So first we're trying on Sahaj's. So first we do it like this. Yeah.
Let's try it on and see how it looks.
I thought it was one of the bear dresses, so that.
Yep, this one's made specifically for it. That's why it's so long.
Oh.
Yeah.
You like it, Sahaj? It's so sparkly. You love sparkly.
Is that what you called her, Sparkles?
You want to call her Sparkles? She didn't really think of a name yet. She's just
Not
like,
yet.
I want to call it a unicorn.
A unicorn.
So I'm trying on mine.
What do you think?
Oh. Said you like it? You like the dress? You like it? So
Look
it.
it. Do you like this? You do?
So which one you want? The
You wanna
mermaid
try
tail or
the
this
shoes?
one?
You want to try the shoes on her? gonna try the shoes on. It's okay, she can try them on anyways.
Okay, so these are the shorts, and I got the BFF shirt on. It's beautiful and sparkly, right, Sahaj?
You're welcome. And how are you doing there? Good?
I'm doing
She's got a
well.
little summer outfit on.
Yeah.
That one's pretty cute. And you know this one, you can find a hidden word there. Well,
Yeah, it's
you know?
it's
BFF.
BFF.
Yeah.
I've got many shirts like this, so like I was thinking of trying to. Oh, oops. I was thinking of trying on like a shirt that kind of matches one of mine.
Yeah.
So.
So there's a little hole here for the tail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Which is pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's perfect because it's like a teddy bear and then it has a tail.
Yeah.
Here we go. It's so cute.
Let's see. Oh, she looks pretty cute. Ready for summer.
Ready for going to Cuba?
Oh, are you going to Cuba?
Yes,
Oh,
just
my
next
goodness,
week.
So fun. You know what? We have little passports.
That is the cutest.
So cute. Sometimes they'll stamp it too at the airport. So it's really cute.
So I'm gonna try on just a few more dresses and then I'm
So
gonna
let
see
her
which
look
one
at
I like
herself
the
in the
most.
mirror here.
Oh yes. You like it, Bubblegum? This is.
Check herself out. See that she likes it. There we go.
Thank
Great.
you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
No problem. Try on another outfit.
I'm
Let her
gonna
check
try
herself
on. I'm gonna. Oh.
out. Try on the dress.
Yeah, because I really like off the shoulder dresses. Okay, so here is the second dress. It has little off-the-shoulder type of thing, and now my teddy's gonna check it. You like it? I like it. So there's another one that I really liked, which was a hoodie, because I love hoodies, as you can see. And it even has like holes for it, so I'm gonna try that one on too. Oh, you're trying on this shirt on the horsey. Here is the hoodie. It's so cute. I really love it. Okay, here is the last outfit of the day. So I was thinking of going with the little BFF shirt with the shorts, which because I really liked it and it was nice and it was a flippy shirt. So we're gonna go with that one. Say it again. Say it again. Say it loud. Say it loud. Loud and proud. Hello, my name is Unicorn. Okay, so here's the full completed look. She's got some shoes, shorts, and a shirt. And the name is Bubblegum, so we're gonna name it that. And my name is Sparkle Rainbow. Your name is Sparkle Rainbow, and let's see what she has. She has this wand that lights up. And then can we see the dress? Show the dress. Give a. Oh yeah, and then she talks too, and then she plays. It makes a walking sound like this. Okay, and let's see the dress.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, okay, now let's take it to the naming center. Hold your horsey. Okay, so now we have to name our horsey. So, here's the thing. So we first have to, where's the, okay, so we break the thingamajigga.
I don't know how to do this.
What do you want?
Sparkle.
Yeah, S. Sparkly rakhna? You want it sparkle?
Sparkle rainbow.
No, sparkle rainbow is too long. One.
Unsparkle.
Okay, S, P. P. Oh, see. There's the P. A. Yeah, sparkle. You want it like that? You good? Okay. Now, yeah, sparkle. Don't press it like that with the mouse. Okay, let me continue with mine. Continue.
I got it.
Okay, press karo. With the mouse. Okay, smarty pants. Okay, so mine is born on March 16, obvious, because today is March 16, and her full name is Bubblegum, and she's 14 centimeters, 198 grams, eye color is blue, and then the fur color is multi-pastel, and it belongs to Harnoor. Okay, now let's check out Sahej's. She was born on March 16, same day. Her name is Sparkle. She's 38 centimeters, 396 grams. She's green, and her eye color is green, and her fur color is pink, and it belongs to Sahej. So now we just have to print it. So press this one. Okay, come on, Sahej, let's pick up our beauty babies and let's go to the checkout. Let's go. Aren't you excited, Sahej? So now we're in the lineup and we're ready to take our beautiful #1 pal home. I'm so excited. So there's a little The Bear Promise. So my bear is special. I brought it to life. I chose it, I stuffed it, and now I'm taking it home. Best friends are forever, so I promise right now to make my bear my #1 pal. So now we're in the lineup, and then we're gonna take the certificate, and then we're gonna leave. So thank you for watching my video. Bye, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and bye-bye. Is that how you spell sparkle? I forgot how to spell sparkle.
Stop.
There you go. Okay, so yes. Press yes. Press it with your mouse.